Hey everyone, looking to send money with Western Union and save big? You are in the right place. Today we will show you how to use promo codes to cut costs on your transfers. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Western Union account or create one if you are new. It's quick and easy. Step 2. Enter the details for your money transfer: recipient's name, destination, and the amount you are sending. Step 3. Now, for the best part, look for the promo code box at checkout. Enter codes like first free for your first transfer or save WU10 for a discount on fees. You will see the discount applied instantly to your transaction fees, making it cheaper to send money to your loved ones. If these codes don't work, check trusted websites for the latest Western Union promo codes and deals. Why pay more when you can save on your money transfers? Try these promo codes today and keep more money in your pocket. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget friendly tips. Thanks for watching.